Introducing the Arbuda Torpedo Mini Fogging Machine, a compact and high-performance machine designed for thermal fogging. Let's begin with the unboxing of the Arbuda Torpedo Mini Fogging Machine. Here's an overview of the Torpedo Mini Fogging Machine. To operate this machine, you will need diesel, Arbuda, DELTAFOG, Deltamethrin, 1.25% ULV, an aerosol gas can, and water. First, open the top of the Torpedo Mini Fogging Machine. The solution tank capacity is 2.5 liters. Add 2 liters of diesel into the solution tank using the funnel, as shown in the video. Now measure and add Arbuda DELTAFOG. Recommended dose is 5 milliliters per 1 liter of diesel. For 2 liters of diesel, add 10 milliliters of DELTAFOG into the solution tank. Close the top of the Torpedo Mini Fogging Machine properly. Next, open the cap of the coil cleaning water tank. Fill it with water using the funnel until it's full. Then, place the tank back and close the cap securely. Now, let's connect the aerosol gas can to the torpedo. First, remove the cap from the gas can. Hold the can from the top section and fit it into the bottom of the fuel control lever, as shown in the video. To start the Torpedo Mini Fogging Machine, turn the fuel control lever to the left. At the same time, press the lighter switch. The burner will ignite and become hot within 10 seconds. Once the burner is hot, turn the diesel knob to fogging mode. Press the pump lever 2 to 3 times. Now, your Arbuda Torpedo Mini Fogging Machine is ready to use. Keep pumping the lever continuously to maintain fogging. Let's see the fogging output of the Arbuda Torpedo Mini Fogging Machine. To stop the Torpedo Mini Fogging Machine, switch off the gas supply. Turn off the diesel knob. Press the cooling water pump knob until the water tank is empty. Finally, remove the aerosol gas can.